arbitrationagreements.org. Dive in with me as we unravel the intriguing world of arbitration contract language. But first, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Arbitration, as most of you might already know, is a way to resolve disputes outside the courts. Instead of heading to court, parties decide to get their disagreements resolved by a neutral third party, the arbitrator. Now, one of the most intriguing parts of arbitration: the language used in the contracts. Yes, it may sound dry, but trust me, it's anything but. The power of words can make or break an agreement. Imagine this. There are over 150 countries that are signatories to the New York Convention. That's the international treaty that makes arbitration agreements and awards enforceable. And a good chunk of its success is because of, you guessed it, precise contract language. So, what makes the perfect arbitration clause? It needs to be clear. It should specify things like the number of arbitrators, their appointment method, the seat or place of arbitration, and the governing law. But here's a fact that'll pique your interest. Studies indicate that close to 50% of all arbitration clauses in commercial contracts are poorly drafted. This means they're ambiguous or silent on essential points. Surprise, surprise. Now let's talk about a couple of specific terms you might come across. Seat of arbitration. This isn't about getting the best view in a theater. No, it's the legal jurisdiction where the arbitration is based. It's pivotal because it determines the procedural laws applicable to the arbitration. Procedural rules. These are the rules that dictate how the arbitration will proceed. There are various institutions like the International Chamber of Commerce or the American Arbitration Association which have their set of rules. Alright, before we wrap up, here's another cool stat for you. Did you know that London, Paris, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Geneva are among the top 5 preferred seats for international arbitration? Travel and law, what a combo. There you have it. The world of arbitration contract language is filled with nuances that make it fascinating. It's not just about the words, but about ensuring clarity, understanding, and ultimately, justice. Do you need more information about the basics of arbitration contract language or help drafting a clause? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about the terms in this video? Do they make sense to you? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.